Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In today's video, we'll see process text data using regular expression. Regular expression are patterns used to search, match, extract and replace text efficiently. They are used in data cleaning, input validation, log analysis, web scraping and natural language processing. So, Python provides the built-in regex module to work with regex. So let's start this by understanding some examples. So the first one is find all numbers in the text. So first of all we'll import the module and then we'll define the text. So this is the text we defined, and now what we'll do, we'll find all the numbers in the text using the regex. So here this D plus matches one or more digits and find all return all the matches. Now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output as the number are extracted from the text. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is find all email address. So for this firstly we'll import the module. Now we'll create the text with some email address. So here we have created the text and now we'll extract all the emails. So here this will extract all the emails, and /s plus matches non-space character and pattern detects email like text. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output as it extracted all the emails present in the text. So now moving on to the third one. So the next one is replace all digit with X. So for this firstly we'll import the module and now we'll create a text in which we'll replace all the digit with X. So here we have defined a number and now we'll replace this with X. So here the sub replaces method patterns and this will replace the number with X. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the output that all the numbers are replaced by the letter X. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is validate a phone number. So for that we'll import the module and now he will define a phone number. So here we have defined a phone number. So in this line what happens that /d10 matches exactly 10 digits and full match ensures full string match. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the output is true because the number has 10 digits. And what if we reduce the digits? So let's see its output. So you can see its output is false. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is extract hashtags. So here we have imported the module and now we'll create a text with some hashtag. So here is the text with some hashtags and now we'll extract the hashtag. So this will extract the hashtag and now we'll print the text. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the words with hashtag are extracted here. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is split text using regex. So for this we'll import the module. So here we have created the text and now we'll split this text. So this will split the text and now we'll print this and we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the splitted text output. So here this splits on comma, semicolon or pipe. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is extract dates from a text. So here we have imported the module and now we'll define a text with some dates. So this is the defined text and now we'll extract the dates from it. So this will extract the dates from it and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the extracted date output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is remove extra spaces. So here we have created a text with some extra spaces so that we can remove it afterwards. So now we'll remove the extra space. So this will remove the extra spaces, and now we'll print it, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see this has removed the extra spaces from it. So regular expression allows you to search and extract patterns, validate user input, clean messy data, and automate text processing. So if you like this video,